Sandy Sherwin, and I appreciate you coming to my YouTube channel to learn this fun high beginner dance called Boots on Bars, choreographed to the same song by Moonshine Bandits. The choreographers are Sierra Gill and Dustin Valcata. It's 32 counts, high beginner, but it does have 2 restarts. The dance is technically a 2-wall dance, but at wall 4, there's a restart that then turns you to the side walls. And then it'll come back at wall 8 to 12 and 6. Now, if that makes no sense to you, that's okay. I'll explain it a little better once we get there. As you can see, Scully's feeling quite comfortable with you all watching, and he's just going to kind of hang out there, and we'll see how long he stays in that position, and I'll try not to giggle. All right, here we go. Starting on your right foot with a grapevine to the right, step side right, cross behind, side right, and together. Next step, taking your heels to the left, both of them on a swivel. Toes go left, heels go left, and you're going to hitch your right knee up, and as you do, it's a slight cross coming back to 12 o'clock. So it looks like this. Heel, toe, heel, and lift. And you think of crossing it probably because you're coming back from that angle. So let's just take a look at that first count of 8 with counts. Right side goes 1, 2, 3, 4, heels 5, toes 6, heels 7, hitch 8. Going on from here, taking that same right foot, step it out, and your hips are going to roll to the right. 1, 2, to the left, 3, 4. Now all your weight's on your left as you step forward on 5. Follow your left shoulder to a quarter turn, 6. All your weight's on your left, and we're going to do a kickball change with the right foot. Kick, ball, change. And all a kickball change is a kick, step on the ball, change your weight. So it's a kick, step, step. Okay? Let's go over that count of 8 again. Our right foot is up. We step 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter turn, 5, 6, and a kick, ball, change. Okay? Let's go back to the beginning, do those 8s. To the right, 6, 7, 8, side, grapevine, 3, 4, turn 5 and 6 and 7, hitch 8, roll 1 and 2, roll 3 and 4, take it forward on 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. Okay? Next count of 8 starts at this wall. We're going to take it forward to a V-step, stepping forward on a diagonal right, equal that out on the left, bring it back to center right and left. So you have the corners out, back to the point of your V. From here, rock, recover on your right leg. So rock and recover left. Now as I rock back on my left, I'm going to be doing a shuffle turn to the right. So I kind of angle my body a little bit, makes it a little bit easier for that transition. So my right foot's going to go side, together, step. Cha-cha-cha on that right foot. That rock, recover again goes 5, 6, and step, together, step. 3 little steps. That count of 8 fully with the counts with the V-step. 7, 8, out, 1, 2, together, 3, 4, rocking 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. One more count of 8. Now as you make this turn on this shuffle, you're going to continue following your right shoulder. So as soon as I go 7 and 8, I'm going to step forward, but turning in a quarter. So it actually goes side. 1, and rock to my right, 2, into a weave, cutting behind, side, cross. My right foot's going to point out, switch out, and I'm going to do a little kick back, a little flick. All right? I'm going to go over that again here, and then I'll turn it so you can see. So I've just finished my shuffle, 7 and 8, same direction, left, right, weave, 3 and 4, point, 5, point, 6, point, 7, 8. That leaves your right foot free to start your grapevine. Okay? So I want to show you that part so that you can see it at this wall. So I would be doing my quarter turn here. I do 1, 2, here's the weave, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then start your grapevine. These little switches, this is the point, point, and flick. And then you start the whole dance again. And that's the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is do it at the two walls from the top all together, and then I'll talk a little bit about how it works on the side. Okay, here we go. Grapevine to the right, 6, 7, 8, side, 1, 2, 3, swivel on 5, 6, hitch on 8, 8, go roll, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, kickball change, 7, V step, goes 1, 2, 3, rock recover on 5, 6, shuffle, 7, keep going, go quarter turn, left foot under, back side front, switch right, switch left, switch right, we're gonna go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel 5, 6, 7, up, go 1, 2, go 3, 4, quarter turn, 6, and a kickball change, V, 1, 2, 3, rock recover, follow your right, shoulder, keep following your right, on a quarter turn, weave, 3 and 4, point, point, flick, 1. Okay, now, the restarts. So at the end of wall 4, during wall 4, you only dance 16 counts. So if this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, we start here from the beginning, grapevine, 2, 3, 4 with the swivel, 5, 6, 7, hitch, that's 1 count of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, here's your quarter turn. Now this is your restart. So now I'm at 3 o'clock. So I'm going to dance 4 walls here at these two. I used to say 4 repetitions, right? So we're going to do it. This is wall 5, this is wall 6, this is wall 7, this is wall 8. When you're at wall 8, it's the same thing, only dance 2, and then that's going to put us magically back at 6 and 12. So at this wall, we'll dance our 2 to get back to our original walls. So we have our grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel 5, 6, 7, hitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we did that, here's our quarter, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we start back here at 6, and these are going to be our front walls again. So I think that this, the restarts in this are really easy to hear with the music. You'll hear them, and if you don't, you'll have egg on your face for a second, and then you'll figure it out and get back on it. Okay? So I think now the only thing left to do would be to dance it with a little bit of music. Okay? That's a 32 count intro. Ready, Scully? Ready, buddy? Go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. Swivel.
College football celebration.
Roll it.
Trailblazer, kick it up.
Here's your rock, cover, turn. Keep turning in your waves. Here's your switch. 5, 6. We start again. And a left. Roll. Turn it. Kick. Lead. Rock, cover, turn. Keep going. Left. Left, right, left. Point it towards your hitch. Switching, go on.
Don't bring home the mom.
Roll it.
Can see all the crazy that she
Here's your week.
Turn
it.
Come Friday night, she
Keep going.
Showing off that sunburst skin. Let me drop with
Here we go. Start it. Pitch it up. Up, roll it, turn, can really hear those restarts coming up during wall 4, during wall 8, and that's it. I think it's a pretty easy dance, and I like it a lot. It's a great song. Great job of choreography by Sierra and Dustin. Ooh, sounds outside. Anyway, thank you for coming. I teach in the Los Angeles area. If you're out here, please look me up. And I would really love it if you would like the video, comment on the video, share the video. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and let everybody know that Candy Sherwin has a really great YouTube channel. That would be awesome. And my little puppy here, Scully, says, there he goes, a little stretch. He says hello and keep on dancing. I think that's what he's saying. Anyway, I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks.